Welcome to Ireland, a land shaped by the elements, sculpted by time and brimming with life. From the dramatic Cliffs of Moher to the ancient stones of Newgrange, we'll encounter breathtaking landscapes that have captivated travellers for centuries. So join me as we uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks of this enchanting island. Here on the western edge of Ireland, where the land meets the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean, stand the magnificent Cliffs of Moher. Rising over 700 feet above the crashing waves, these sheer cliffs stretch for 5 miles, a testament to the raw power of nature. Guillemots and razorbills cling precariously to the cliff face, their nests tucked into every nook and cranny. Take a moment to breathe in the fresh sea air. Listen to the symphony of the waves and let the sheer scale of the Cliffs of Moher wash over you. Rising dramatically from the verdant plains of County Tipperary, the Rock of Cashel stands as a silent sentinel, a testament to Ireland's rich and tumultuous past. Legend has it that the Rock of Cashel was once the home of the kings of Munster, and it was here that St. Patrick arrived in the 5th century, converting the king to Christianity. As we wander through the ruins of the cathedral, its weathered stone whispering tales of ancient rituals, we can almost hear the echoes of chanting monks and feel the weight of history upon our shoulders. The intricate carvings adorning the stonework, the weathered Celtic crosses standing guard, and the panoramic views from the top of the rock all speak to the enduring legacy of this remarkable place. Take your time to explore the Rock of Cashel and let your imagination transport you back through the centuries. From the ancient stones of its past to the vibrant energy of its present, Dublin is a city that effortlessly blends history and modernity. The River Liffey, its waters reflecting the sky, winds its way through the heart of the city, dividing Dublin into north and south, each with its own distinct character. Trinity College, Ireland's oldest university, beckons with its grand library and cobbled courtyards, a haven for scholars and dreamers. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets, soak up the lively atmosphere, and discover the heart and soul of Ireland in this enchanting city. Entering Killarney National Park is like stepping into a living, breathing postcard. Here, nestled amidst the mountains and lakes of County Kerry, lies a landscape of breathtaking beauty where nature reigns supreme. Crystal clear lakes, reflecting the surrounding scenery like giant mirrors, shimmer in the sunlight, their surfaces dotted with tiny islands, each with its own unique charm. Waterfalls cascade down rocky slopes, their thunderous roar a constant reminder of nature's power, while ancient oak and yew trees stand as silent guardians. Killarney National Park is a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life, to reconnect with nature and to discover a sense of peace and tranquility that only the wild can offer. Our journey takes us now to the heart of the Boyne Valley, a place steeped in ancient history and shrouded in mystery. Here we find Newgrange, a Neolithic monument that predates the pyramids of Egypt, a testament to the ingenuity and spiritual beliefs of our ancestors. For centuries, its purpose remained a mystery, but today we know that Newgrange was much more than just a burial tomb. As the winter solstice approaches, a shaft of light pierces the darkness of the inner chamber, illuminating the ancient carvings on the walls. To stand within this ancient structure, bathed in the warm glow of the winter solstice sun, is to connect with something far greater than ourselves. Prepare to be captivated by the unparalleled beauty of the Ring of Kerry, a scenic drive that winds its way along the rugged coastline of Ireland's southwest. This iconic route, stretching for over 100 miles, reveals a breathtaking tapestry of dramatic cliffs, sparkling beaches, charming villages, and verdant valleys. Rugged mountains plunge dramatically into the sea, their slopes cloaked in a patchwork of emerald green fields and purple heather. The Ring of Kerry is a journey for the senses, a place to lose yourself in the splendor of the Irish landscape and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Nestled on the shores of Galway Bay, this vibrant city pulsates with a unique energy, a captivating blend of traditional Irish charm and bohemian spirit. Colourful shopfronts line the narrow cobbled streets, their windows displaying everything from traditional crafts to cutting-edge fashion. Street musicians fill the air with the sounds of traditional Irish music, their melodies mingling with the laughter of locals and visitors alike. Galway is a city that embraces its artistic side, with numerous galleries showcasing the works of talented local artists. Whether you're seeking a taste of traditional Irish culture, a lively night out, or simply a chance to soak up the city's unique atmosphere, Galway is sure to leave a lasting impression. On the rugged north coast of Northern Ireland, where the wild Atlantic crashes against the shore, lies a geological wonder that has captivated imaginations for centuries: the Giant's Causeway. This extraordinary landscape, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a testament to the raw power of nature, a place where legend and science collide. Thousands upon thousands of basalt columns, hexagonal in shape and fitting together with remarkable precision, form a vast pavement that stretches from the base of the cliffs into the sea. Legend has it that the causeway was built by the giant Finn McCool as a pathway to Scotland, but geologists tell a different tale. Whether you believe in giants or geology, there's no denying the awe-inspiring beauty of this unique landscape. Prepare to be enchanted by the Dingle Peninsula, a place where time seems to move a little slower and the beauty of the natural world takes center stage. This rugged peninsula, jutting out into the Atlantic Ocean, is a haven for wildlife, a paradise for hikers, and a sanctuary for those seeking a taste of authentic Irish life. Rugged cliffs plunge dramatically into the turquoise waters below, while sandy beaches beckon us to pause and breathe in the fresh sea air. The Dingle Peninsula is a place to escape the ordinary, to reconnect with nature, and to discover the true meaning of crack, the Irish word for fun and good times. Our final destination takes us to Bunratty Castle, a magnificent medieval fortress that stands as a proud reminder of Ireland's rich and tumultuous past. Dating back to the 15th century, this imposing castle has witnessed centuries of history, its walls whispering tales of battles, banquets, and bygone eras. Explore the Great Hall, where lavish banquets were once held. Marvel at the intricate tapestries adorning the walls of the bedchambers, and climb the narrow spiral staircases to the top of the battlements. Bunratty Castle is a place where history comes to life, where you can immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and stories of medieval Ireland. As our journey through Ireland draws to a close, we're left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. From the dramatic cliffs to the ancient castles, from the bustling cities to the tranquil countryside, Ireland has captivated our hearts and left an indelible mark on our souls. Thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, Slán go Foil.